Hi, everybody. Well, you've already got a lot figured out about Canvas, or you wouldn't have been able to find this video. However, I want to take a few minutes to show you some Canvas features that might be important or unique to this class, as well as to show you how to find help with Canvas. The Canvas homepage for all of my classes look a lot like this. Please be sure to scroll down to see all of the information included on the home page. In the middle of the page is information I added to welcome you to the class, as well as links to the class syllabus, the class schedule, and there are instructions on how to register for Connect and pair your Connect class with your Canvas class. If you page further down on the home page, you'll see instructor contact information. My office on the main campus is in the business building, room B113. This is my email address. The phone, I wouldn't try to contact me using the phone. It rings in my office at school, and I'm not there a lot, so it'd be quicker to send me an email. I welcome students to drop by my office during these hours for a visit. However, if you have something important to discuss, you might want to make us an appointment. Just send me an email to arrange for a convenient appointment time. Please keep in mind that I try to stay in touch with my students by email every day, not just during student hours. Anytime you have questions, please send me an email. I'll try to respond within 24 hours. That might take a little longer over the weekend, but I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. On the far left of the Canvas homepage are important tools. Click on Account to enter or update your profile and post a picture. You might also want to spend some time setting up your notifications. You'll want to pay particular attention to setting the frequency of notifications about due dates, course content, announcements, grading, and discussions. The dashboard is how you navigate from one Canvas course to another. The Help tool at the bottom of this tool list is quite valuable. It provides a number to contact Canvas technical support 24/7. It also provides excellent help guides that are searchable by keywords. Search Canvas guides. For instance, type setting notifications. To see a number of help guides on how to set notifications, including how do I set notification preferences on my Android device, how do I set my Canvas notification preferences as a student, and the help guides are really wonderful. They're well done. So back to the home page. Also, there's a vertical navigation bar on the Canvas home page, and this will provide help specific to this class. So here's the home page. Click on Announcements frequently and check for announcements. The discussion page shows you the discussion assignments for an online class. It also, although you can access these assignments and do the discussions through the modules, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. At the top of the discussion page is a chat Q&A. It's available to send messages to the class in general. Modules is the link that you will use most during the class. Online modules are arranged by week ending date. So for instance, the first week ends in the spring semester, January 27th, and all of these are things that you should look at and deadlines that are due by Sunday, January 27th. Once you've registered and paired Connect to Canvas, you'll be able to access your Connect assignments, quizzes, and exams directly from the modules. Simply click on the assignment and it'll take you directly to Connect. So let's say I'm ready to do my Connect orientation video that's due on Sunday the 27th. I click here. I'm already registered and paired, so it'll take me directly to the assignment in Connect. If you have not registered for Connect McGraw-Hill yet, if you click on one of these assignments, it will take you to a page to register for Connect. I'll let you explore the grades link. Suffice it to say that once your Connect is paired with Canvas, the grades you earn on assignments and assessments in Connect will automatically post to the Canvas gradebook. It's mostly accurate. However, you should check your grades regularly and let me know if you think an incorrect grade has been posted to your gradebook. On the far right side of the Canvas homepage is a to-do list. Let me click on the student view so you can see it. You should see recent notification announcements here and assignments that are due soon. For instance, here's a Chapter 1 highlights and instructor video lecture. You should look at that. It's due on the 27th. Connect homework and orientation video and quiz. Really important. If you don't get that done, you may be dropped from class. And then your first discussion is also due on the 27th as part of the orientation process. And if you click on any one of these, it should take you directly to the assignment. Right now, the assignment is blocked until the 19th. I'm doing this on the 16th. So when you click on it after the classes open on the 19th, you should be able to go directly there. Also, it might be handy to click on the global calendar for Canvas. That gives you a calendar by month with everything that's due for all of your Canvas classes. Well, that's a brief overview of Canvas. Please don't hesitate to send me an email if you have questions. If you're having difficulties with Canvas, get a hold of the Canvas Technical at that phone number. I'll see you next time.